Hello everyone. Welcome to the introduction video of Telefar, Adobe Photoshop CS5 tutorial. These tutorials are meant for casual Photoshop users as well as professional designers. Free certificates will be issued after the successful completion of the visual course package. The videos are designed such that both the expert and a novice can benefit. Together we learn the thing that a person should initially learn in Photoshop are layers and file settings. Let's start with opening Photoshop. Now create a new file. Click on File, then New, or press Ctrl+N. You can enter the name and other parameters inside the dialog box that comes up. Let's enter the name, Telefar 1. Under Preset, different predefined sizes are available, or you can just choose to custom the size. We are selecting web size. Under the Size tab, many basic web dimensions are available, which can be selected. We are choosing 800 x 600. The width and height can be custom, based on pixel size, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas and columns. We will be learning more about the ones we're not selecting now in preceding videos. OK. We are choosing pixels as the unit. There is a tabbed resolution now, just below the width and height. Resolution governs the quality of rendering the image. The default 72 is the desktop resolution. For printing purpose, it's advised to increase the resolution to higher values to a maximum 240, according to the needs. Now the color mode can be set. The default modes are bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK and LAD color. For images, the usually used on is RGB red, green, blue. CMYK is used for taking printouts, grayscale for black and white printouts. Bitmap and LAD color will be explained in preceding videos. We are choosing RGB color. Next tag to the right is for selecting the bit, which govern the depth of the image. We are choosing 16. The background content can be chosen as white, custom or transparent. We are choosing white. Click on Advanced tag and you will be seeing color profile and pixel aspect ratio. You will be learning about these later. Press OK after setting the parameters mentioned above. Now you see a blank white file. Consider it as a blank white paper. This is your work area. This is called the status bar. You are able to see the name bar towards the top, a scale towards the left and top. If you are not able to see this, press Ctrl+R. To make it disappear, press Ctrl+R again as per your wish. Or simply go to View and press Rulers. Towards the left, the bar with a lot of tools is called the toolbar. You will be selecting the tools you require from this bar. Towards the right, you see a Layers bar. If you are not able to see it, press Window and click Layers, or simply press F7. In Layers bar, you will be seeing a background layer. This is the worksheet that we just opened. It is possible to create as many layers as possible according to the requirements. Every single layer can be considered as a sheet of paper. For creating a new layer, press Layer, New, Layer, or simply click Shift plus Ctrl+N. OK. When you click that, a dialog box appears where you can set the name. Let's choose one. Now we can choose the color for the layer. The mode and opacity will be taught later. Press OK. Now you see 2 layers in the Layers tab. Our initial background and the new layer we just created, a blank layer. Let's give this layer a color. Towards the left down, you see an option, Set Color. OK. Click it and pick the color or enter the parameters as you wish. Press OK. Now choose Paint Bucket tool. It's chosen from an icon almost in the middle left. Watch the position of the cursor carefully to see it. Now select the layer 1 by clicking on it and click on the status bar, i.e., the working area. Now that paper or layer has the color that you choose. You can also create the new layer using Create New Layer tab below the Layers box or press Ctrl+Shift+N as before. Try to learn the shortcut keys as they are important for working fast. To easily rename/name the new layer, double-click the layer we just created and enter the name here too and press Enter. Choose another color by following the procedures mentioned before and pick the bucket tool to fill that layer too with the chosen color. Consider this is the third paper. Make sure the layer selected is the layer 2 by clicking onto in the Layers tab. Now let's use the erasing tool. It can be chosen from the left bar. Closely follow the cursor in the video. Shortcut for it is E. Choose Normal Erasing Tool. You can change the size of the eraser by changing the number on the top bar as shown in the video. Click the down arrow and choose the desired size. Let's choose 45 for now. Now bring the cursor to the work area and left-click and drag around to see the wonder of Eraser tool. Now it's possible to see the background layer here, the layer just below 2. That is one where we use the Eraser tool. Now choose Layer 1. Now let's learn another shortcut key. Remember that E is for selecting the Eraser tool. Now try pressing the left and right square bracket on your keyboard individually. Notice something? The size of the Eraser tool reduces and increases. Choose the size of your liking and bring the cursor to the work area and left-click and drag. Now you are able to see the layer just below the layer that you selected and used Eraser tool on. That is background layer. It is possible to delete the background layer if necessary. To do that, select the background layer and press the bin button to the below of the Layers bar or press Layer and click Delete Layer from top menu. It is possible to make a layer just invisible or visible as per your needs by clicking the I button or indicator layer visibility icon to the left of / all the layers shown in Layers tab. It is possible to toggle visibility and invisibility by just clicking the icon again and again. To recover the deleted layer, we can just undo the previous function that we did. To do that, click Edit and Undo Delete Layer. Now the background layer that we just deleted reappears. The shortcut key for this is Ctrl+Z. Try it out. Likewise, to step forward, press short key Shift plus Ctrl+Z, and to step backward press Alt plus Ctrl+Z. Or you can go to Edit and click Step Forward and Step Backward. You got it. You can learn more about Photoshop and its intense capabilities in further lessons. Take care and see you soon. Remember, in Telefar, together we learn.